Magaling, magaling.
Diretso na, diretso na. Ang oras, pinatakbo ko na. Wala nang balikan ng oras. Sige na, oh. 3, 2, 1. Oo, talagang talo ka. Sige na, sige.
Symbol, symbol. One point by Black.
1-0. Mang Jess.
Di ba si
Mang Jess.
Ano ba Mang Kanor?
Mang Kanor 1 and Mang Kanor 2.
Out of bounds.
Mang Jess. Drive. Basket.
Nice shot by Jess.
1-1.
A fighting fight. Ian Kaloy. Lloyd. Doktora. Back to Doktora. No good. Nice basket. White 1. Jeremel. Jeremel. Steal by Sid. Sid. Mang Jess. Basket. Mang Kanor.
3-1. Favor of White.
Jeremel. Basket.
Nice shot by
3.
Manuel. Rebound by Ian. Pass to Kaloy. Kaloy. Orsket. Jeremel. Back to Jeremel again. Back to back basket.
All.
Yun pala yun eh.
Deadlock 3.
Face off.
Parang totohanan na yan ah.
Battle of the Kanors.
one shot by Nimwell.
Oy, huwag ka masakit ng ano, aray, matalas.
Napate.
Tandaan mga kapatid.
White ball.
At raprod ang inyong tinatakbuhan.
Mang Jess. Dribbling the ball. Mang Jess. Pass to Steal. Steal by Ian. Kaloy. Steal by Nemuel. Nemuel. Steal again.
Still again.
Steal again. But may foul.
May foul.
Foul Sid.
Yun ang masyadong gayuning agawat, baka magsumasaw.
Kaloy. Basket. Black 1.
All four.
Mang Jess. Pass to Sid. Foul on Doktora.
3 minutes and 48 seconds.
3 and 48. Ian. Basket. Black 1. Oy, all the way.
All 5.
White 1, courtesy of Eric Doktora.
3
Jeremel.
minutes and 19 seconds.
Out of bounds. White ball.
Laba ko ni Mang Kanor, ayaw ko bitawan.
Hindi ka makahawak ng bola.
Hindi usapan na daw
Mang
yan.
Jess.
2 minutes and 55.
Mang Jess. Pass to Eric. Eric. Nimuel. No good. Rebound by Ian. Pass to Jeramel. Back to Ian. Steal. Ian. Short. White ball. Lloyd. Sid. No good. Rebound by Ka Edward. Ka Edward. Rebound by Kajes. Kajes. Kajes.
Last 2 minutes.
Well. Lloyd. Short. Score is 6-5.
1 and 48.
Mang Jess. Mang Jess. Tuloy-tuloy. Rebound by Sid. Foul.
1 and 30 seconds.
1:30. Sid. Pass to Docman. Docman. Basket.
Naman na po.
Dribbling the ball. Taloy. Tuloy-tuloy. Nice basket. Sid. Pass to Eric. Eric. Pass to Mang Jess. Mang Jess. Basket.
Last 1 minute. 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
One point.
39. 30.
Lloyd. Mang Jess.
25.
Nice. Rebound by Docman. Docman. Another attempt. Basket.
Nakatena. Change score.
Off change score.
Change scored.
The score is 10-6.
In favor of.
White.
Ano to eh? 6 lang kaso hindi ano.
Sabit ba yan? 6 ba yan?
Wala yung ano.
Eric. Eric. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. 1 point White.
11. 11 ang
Kaloy.
white.
Malakas ang pasa. White ball. Mang Jess. Mang Jess, pass to Docman. No good.
Uy.
Oh, basket.
Basket count.
Tama na yung tingnan sila, tingnan dalawang score.
Ian. Kaloy. Mang Ed.
You know?
No good. Rebound by Limuel. Sid. Pass to Mang Jess. Pass to Eric. Last touch by Jeramel. White ball.
Then it's coming. 12-7.
6:50.
Ha? Oo nga. Lloyd. Lloyd.
Balik ko lang.
Rebound by Sid. Offensive rebound. Nice basket. White one. Ian. Nice pass. Manged, no good. Rebound by Sid. Sid. Mang Jess. No good. Rebound by nice ball fake. Oh, deflected. Mang Ed, nice. No good. Komi. Nice basket by Commissioner. Docman, pass to Sid. Sid for 2. No good. Rebound by Ian. Nice pass.
Tay.
Pero
Overpass.
malakas.
Overpass.
Sid Bangjes. All pick. Eric. No good.
Andiyan ka na naman, di mo naman ma-shout.
Back-in. Basket. Block. Eric. Nice. Nice penetration.
4
Nice
minutes
basket.
and 55.
Ian, nice. Nice steal by Eric. Nice behind the back by Limuel. Ian, no good. Block. The pass was deflected by Banderitas. Limuel. Bangjes. Limuel. Bangjes. 5 seconds, shot clock.
4 and 10 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2. Nice shot by Bangjes. Di pa.
15 pala. Ah,
Shot clock lang yun. Tagal yun.
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Block 1. Limuel.
10-15. Favor of
Limuel.
one team.
All the way. Short. Steal. Taloy. Ian. Oh. Taloy. Tutak to Ian. Basket. Block 1.
15-11.
Oh! Nangagaw pa. Wala yan, wala.
Wala. Let's go.
Wala.
Basket na yun.
Wala yan, wala.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Steal by Jeremel. Oh, steal by Sid. Nice. By Lloyd.
2 and 48. Hanggang 20 na, di ka.
Hanggang 20.
Mang Ed. Steal by Lloyd. Docman. Mangjes. Mangjes. No good. Rebound by Kaloy. Pass to Ian. Pass to Ed. Pambansang reverse. Basket by Ka-Ed. Ka-Edward Manalo.
Last 2 minutes.
Docman. Ka-Eric. Basket. White. Kaloy.
1 and 52 seconds.
Kaloy. Ian. Nice basket by Ian.
1 and 45.
Lloyd. Mangjes. Ganda naman ang
1
basket.
and 37.
Jersey number 81. Kaloy. Ka-Edward. Back to Kaloy. Basket.
1 and 20.
1 and 20. Ka-Eric. No good. Rebound by. Back to Kaloy. No good. Rebound by Sid.
1
Pass
minute.
to Docman. No good. Rebound. Offensive rebound. Dumel. No good. Labas ang bola.
Ano yung contact?
18-4. 18-14.
43 seconds.
43 seconds. Lloyd. Mang Jess. Nice. No good. Rebound by
33.
Jeremy. Steal by Sid.
29.
Sid. Sid.
20.
Oh, malakas ang pasa. Black ball.
10.
10,
9.
9, 8,
8.
white
7,
flag. 6,
6.
5, 4, 3, 2,
2. 1.
Ano?
Yeah.
Pambansang reverse.
exhibition game.